Are you struggling with managing your cholesterol levels and digestive health? Look no further than Questran 4 grams, a powerful solution that addresses both concerns. Questran 4 grams provides effective cholesterol management and supports digestive health, making it an ideal choice for individuals seeking a comprehensive solution. With its innovative formulation, Questran 4 grams works by binding to bile acids in the intestines, reducing their reabsorption and enabling their elimination from the body. By doing so, it helps to lower LDL, bad cholesterol levels, which can be a risk factor for heart disease. Additionally, Questran 4 grams supports proper digestion by promoting regular bowel movements and alleviating symptoms of diarrhea caused by excess bile acids. Prioritize your health with Questran 4 grams, the trusted choice endorsed by healthcare professionals. Its efficacy and reliability have been proven time and again, making it a go-to option for individuals looking to manage their cholesterol levels and support healthy digestion. Take control of your health and experience the benefits of Questran 4 grams today. Understanding cholesterol management. Managing cholesterol levels is crucial for maintaining overall health. Cholesterol is a waxy substance that is naturally produced by the liver and is also present in certain foods. While cholesterol is necessary for vital bodily functions, excessive levels of LDL, low-density lipoprotein, cholesterol, often referred to as bad cholesterol, can increase the risk of heart disease. Cholesterol management involves adopting a healthy lifestyle, including regular exercise, a balanced diet, and the use of medication when necessary. Medications like Questran 4 grams can play a crucial role in helping individuals achieve optimal cholesterol levels and reduce the risk of heart disease. The role of Questran 4 grams in cholesterol management. Questran 4 grams is a prescription medication that helps manage cholesterol levels by binding to bile acids in the intestines. Bile acids are produced by the liver to aid in the digestion and absorption of dietary fats. However, when excess bile acids are reabsorbed into the body, they can contribute to high cholesterol levels. Questran 4 grams works by binding to bile acids in the intestines, preventing their reabsorption. This leads to an increased elimination of bile acids from the body through bowel movements. As a result, the liver is stimulated to produce more bile acids, utilizing cholesterol from the bloodstream to do so. This mechanism helps to lower LDL cholesterol levels, reducing the risk of heart disease. How Questran 4 grams works in the body. Questran 4 grams contains the active ingredient cholestyramine, which is a bile acid sequestrant. When ingested, Questran 4 grams forms a gel-like substance in the intestines. This gel-like substance binds to bile acids, preventing their reabsorption. The bound bile acids, along with Questran 4 grams, are then eliminated from the body through bowel movements. This process not only reduces the amount of bile acids available for reabsorption but also stimulates the liver to produce more bile acids by utilizing cholesterol from the bloodstream. As a result, LDL cholesterol levels decrease, promoting overall cardiovascular health. Benefits of using Questran 4 grams for cholesterol management. Questran 4 grams offers several benefits for individuals looking to manage their cholesterol levels effectively. Reduced LDL cholesterol. By inhibiting the reabsorption of bile acids, Questran 4 grams helps to lower LDL cholesterol levels, which can contribute to a healthier cardiovascular system. Lowered risk of heart disease. High levels of LDL cholesterol are a known risk factor for heart disease. By reducing LDL cholesterol levels, Questran 4 grams can help lower the risk of developing heart-related conditions. Comprehensive solution. Questran 4 grams not only focuses on cholesterol management but also provides digestive health support. Its ability to bind to excess bile acids aids in alleviating symptoms of diarrhea caused by their presence in the intestines. Proven efficacy. Questran 4 grams has been extensively tested and proven to be effective in managing cholesterol levels. Its reliability and safety have been well documented in clinical studies and are widely recognized by healthcare professionals. Dosage and administration of Questran 4 grams. The dosage of Questran 4 grams may vary depending on individual needs and the recommendation of a healthcare professional. It is typically taken orally in powder form, mixed with water or other liquids. The powder should be stirred or shaken well to ensure proper dissolution before consumption. It is important to follow the prescribed dosage instructions and take Questran 4 grams as directed by your healthcare provider. Regular monitoring of cholesterol levels may also be necessary to assess the effectiveness of the medication. Potential side effects and precautions of Questran 4 grams. Like any medication, Questran 4 grams may have potential side effects and precautions that should be taken into consideration. Common side effects may include constipation, bloating, gas, and stomach discomfort. These effects are usually mild and temporary, but if they persist or worsen, it is important to consult a healthcare professional. Questran 4 grams may interact with certain medications, such as warfarin and digoxin, so it is essential to inform your healthcare provider about all the medications you are currently taking. Additionally, individuals with a history of bowel obstruction, severe constipation, or certain bowel disorders should exercise caution when using Questran 4 grams. Other digestive health benefits of Questran 4 grams. In addition to its cholesterol-lowering properties, Questran 4 grams offers various benefits for digestive health. Excess bile acids in the intestines can cause symptoms such as diarrhea, abdominal discomfort, and an increased frequency of bowel movements. Questran 4 grams helps alleviate these symptoms by binding to the excess bile acids and promoting regular bowel movements. By supporting proper digestion and bowel function, Questran 4 grams can improve overall digestive health and enhance the quality of life for individuals dealing with these issues. FAQs about Questran 4 grams. Is Questran 4 grams available over the counter? No, Questran 4 grams is a prescription medication and is not available over the counter. It is important to consult a healthcare professional to determine if Questran 4 grams is suitable for your needs. How long does it take for Questran 4 grams to start working? The exact time frame for Questran 4 grams to start working may vary from person to person. It is best to follow the prescribed dosage and give the medication sufficient time to take effect. It is also important to maintain a healthy lifestyle and adhere to any additional recommendations provided by your healthcare provider. Can Questran 4 grams be used as a standalone treatment for high cholesterol? Questran 4 grams can be used as part of a comprehensive treatment plan for high cholesterol, which may include dietary changes, exercise, and other medications as prescribed by a healthcare professional. It is important to work closely with your healthcare provider to determine the most effective approach for managing your cholesterol levels. Conclusion: choosing Questran 4 grams for cholesterol management and digestive health support. Questran 4 grams is a trusted solution for individuals seeking effective cholesterol management and digestive health support. Its unique formulation and mechanism of action make it a reliable choice for those looking to improve their overall health and well-being. By binding to bile acids in the intestines, Questran 4 grams helps to lower LDL cholesterol levels and reduce the risk of heart disease. Additionally, it supports proper digestion by promoting regular bowel movements and alleviating symptoms of diarrhea caused by excess bile acids. If you are struggling with managing your cholesterol levels or experiencing digestive health issues, consult with a healthcare professional to determine if Questran 4 grams is a suitable option for you. Prioritize your health and take control of your cholesterol and digestive health with Questran 4 grams today. Thanks for watching.